Let's take a look at some of the basic functionality you'll find anywhere in DesignerLogic. Whenever you have a list of records, in this case these are projects on the home page, if you see a filter button, click it and that will give you different options to filter by. If there's a download link, you can download this list to an Excel file. You can also select multiple records, in this case each project here is selected, and click on the Actions link or Bulk Actions link, and you can edit them all at the same time. As well, if you have a three-dot menu next to a project or an item, that will give you navigation options. For example, you can go to the dashboard of this project, the items, which is like a giant spreadsheet of all the items on it. You can go to the tracking for just this project, the tasks for the project, etc. You can edit the project details as well by hovering over these three dots. Anywhere in DesignerLogic where you see light colored blue font is a link. If you click on it, you'll see more information. In this case, it's contact information. Over here we have, in the tracking section here, we have an item that has blue font for its name. If you click on that, it's going to open up a new tab that shows all the item specs and other information about it in one place. Likewise, if you click on a light colored blue font purchase order, it'll open up the PO. And we'll close that and show you that also this light colored font is showing an invoice number. And we click that, it opens up a new tab with the invoice in it. In many places you will also see edit icons. They're usually a pencil icon like this in light blue font, and if you click on that, it's going to open up a little form where you can edit that particular record. You can also set in the home page this tracking notifications to be whatever you want to see here for that module. You can click on the activity tab to see all the things that have been done by your staff, and you can filter that by a number of different ways. And if you click it again, it'll close. And then up here we have the global menus that are on the outside of every page. And to the far right, we have the admin menu here where you can manage your account and upload a logo and things like that. You can add users and staff to your account. You can update your default settings. And these are things like sales codes, which are categories for items. You can have spec templates. You can have areas for each project by default. You can set tax rates. You can work in multiple tax rates. And you can also set terms and conditions for your printouts on invoices, purchase orders, and proposals. Clicking the How To button will show you different options to get either page tour, or you can actually open up tutorial videos and ask questions about how to use DesignerLogic right there. The Search All Items by Keyword is a great place to type in something like a sofa or any keyword that you have, and if you click the search button, it opens up a list of all the particular things you're searching for on every project, so you can see all that information, and you can go directly to that project or that specific item very easily. And then over here we have the global navigation, which is all projects. So you can see all projects tasks, calendar events, all projects time and tracking and things like that over here. And we have a shortcuts button at the top. If you hit the shortcuts button, you can quickly navigate to any project or any part of any project, and you can do things on the fly like add a new task or a comment or calendar event. You can create a new project, log payments from customers and things like that, all here in the shortcuts. And the shortcuts page is available from almost anywhere in DesignerLogic just by clicking on the shortcuts button up here at the top. And to wrap this up, if you've just started DesignerLogic, if you want to create a new project, just click on the new button next to the word projects and fill out all that information right here, and you've got a new project ready to go. And we'll have many more videos to show you how to do specific things throughout DesignerLogic.